Hi, thanks for checking out Hemlock Mountain Outdoors. I'm Kurt, and today we're going to take a look at our cinch buckles. So, this is what you get. There's a 12-foot tree strap. You get 2 of them when you order. So what you do, once you find your tree, you just take your strap, you wrap it around the tree, all the way around, as you can see there, and you feed it back through itself, through this loop. And you can see that this side, has got very little pressure on it. So you want to keep it like that. You want to try to keep it as straight as possible when you're coming through that loop. Included with the straps will be a continuous loop with a cinch buckle on each one. So you've got this sliding piece here. First thing you want to do, put the strap behind it, push the sliding bar back a little bit, and then feed back through the front. So you look like that. And then pull it tight. Just that simple. It is suggested just to tie a quick hitch into the line. And not to really hold anything, but just in case it starts to slip, it holds it tight. The continuous loop you would actually feed through the sewn channel of your hammock. Now, whether it's a Hemlock Mountain Outdoors hammock or not, it'll fit most hammocks that have a sewn channel. And you just pull out the cordage that's already there, whether it's whoopee slings or another continuous loop, and just reconnect it the same way. You just feed it through itself with the buckle hanging out, and you're all set. Thanks for checking out Hemlock Mountain Outdoors. Go hang out.